Stop scrolling if you have a sore throat. I'm about to show you 5 foods that will soothe your throat and stop that annoying cough naturally.
First up, oatmeal. It's gentle on your throat, and the beta-glucan helps your body fight off whatever's making you sick. Number 2, ginger. This powerful root reduces inflammation and breaks up mucus. Third, warm bone broth. The salt and minerals help reduce swelling while keeping you hydrated. Fourth, bananas. They're soft, easy to swallow, and packed with vitamin C to boost your immune system. And finally, honey. It coats your throat and has antibacterial properties that fight infections.
Save this for the next time you're feeling under the weather.